Hey, how you guys doing? Dan with Mad Nasty Trapping coming back at you again with another episode of Know the Animals You Trap. This is one of my favorite of species. If you guys have been following Mad Nasty Trapping's YouTube channel, you'll understand that I am a big raccoon trapper. I got a lot of appreciation and respect for the raccoon. I like them. They're cool and very, very, very high on my list of animals that I like and enjoy trapping because I enjoy them as a species as the whole. They've always excited me and I've always paid attention to them and, you know, always looked up to the raccoons as being one of my favorite species out there to watch, study, learn, and last but not least, trap. So, back to the outdoor Bible. This episode focuses on, yes, the raccoon, more commonly known as trash panda. There you guys go. Or the bandit, or the garbage can robbers, or what have you. But the raccoon, for the sake of staying on factual information, guys, all factual information out of the Bible. Here we go. The raccoon. Range. The raccoon inhabits nearly all of the United States, parts of Mexico, and extreme southern Canada. Northward along the border between Saskatchewan and Alberta. Identification. Though this species varies in size and color depending upon its location, two conspicuous features distinguish it: the black mask across the eyes and the ringed tail. The latter is usually 10 inches long. The dense underfur is a brownish red. Guard hairs are tipped with white, but come in shades of black, red, yellow, and gray. The white face and ears offer sharp contrast to the black nose and mask. The soles of the feet are jet black. The top sides are light. Size. An average male measures 34 inches in length and stands from 9 inches to a foot high at the shoulder. A typical adult weighs from 12 to 16 pounds. So you guys can take note of this. When we trap on the trap line and we are targeting raccoon, we can visually, once we've done it for a while, we can visually estimate a rough proximity weight. It is fairly easy to tell between a juvenile and an adult raccoon. The juvenile raccoons, let them walk. You'll pull better money at auction on adult coons. And in select months of the year where their fur quality is the best. So, keep that in mind, guys. Again, I'm going to start on size. An average male measures 34 inches in length and stands 9 inches to a foot high at the shoulder. A typical adult weighs from 12 to 16 pounds. But some males exceed 25 pounds. Here we go with the world record, guys. Right out of the Outdoors Bible. Here we go. 1976. At that point, the world record coon. The heaviest coon ever recorded tipped the scales at 62 pounds, 6 ounces and measured 55 inches from tail tip to nose tip. So there you have it. The average weight is 12 to 16 pounds. Some really good sized males do reach up to 25 pounds. Fairly common, not unheard of. World record coon 1976 is 62 pounds, 6 ounces, and measured 55 inches from tip of tail to tip of nose. There you have it. Food. Wild raccoons eat snakes, eggs, baby birds, baby mice, baby rabbits, mussels, fish, frogs, grapes, berries, apples, and acorns. Crayfish is a delicacy to the raccoon, and both sweet corn and field corn are very important in the diet. All of you raccoon trappers out there, as I am, need to take note of the food in which the coons prefer, because it is very important. Because coons are a readily eating species. They eat a lot. They seek a lot of food sources. I will read this real quick again to you so that you know the type of baits to focus upon for coon trapping. Wild raccoons eat snakes, eggs, baby birds, baby mice, baby rabbits, mussels, fish, frogs, grapes, berries, apples, and acorns. Crayfish is a delicacy to the raccoon, and both sweet corn and field corn are very important in the diets. That's why you see a lot of coon food lures containing a lot of corn smell, corn taste, or corn in the bait itself, or the lure or scent attraction of corn in those products. There, right there is why. Because it is a very important item to have in their diet. Right here in the Outdoors Bible. Edibility. Can you eat the raccoon? We will find out. Sportsmen have long considered raccoon meat a delicacy. Says it right there, my friends. Right there at the bottom. A delicacy. That's the case. Then hell, I should have saved the bulk majority of the coons I caught this year and cooked them up. That I did not. I'd rather eat venison backstraps and steaks and burgers and fries and whatnot. But I'm not opposed to giving it a try. It's something I have not done. I have not eaten raccoon yet, but hey, Sam Woods will cook that in his toaster. So that's good enough in my book. I'm Dan Edwards with Mad Nasty Trapping, and this has been an episode of Know the Animals We Trap. All copyright is due 1976. Complete Outdoors Encyclopedia. It's been an absolute pleasure, everybody. That right there should give you guys enough to keep you busy for quite a while. If you have enjoyed these segments, please hit the comment section below and let me know. Thanks, everybody. We will see you again.